we are going to review how to solve system of equations by graphing. Our first equation, y equals 2x plus 1, is in the slope-intercept form. Our y-intercept is positive 1. So on the y-axis, we are going to plot a positive 1. Our slope is 2. So 2 is really 2 over 1, and because the 2 is positive, that is our delta y. We are going to go up 2, and because the 1 is positive, which is our delta x, we are going to go right 1. So if we go back to the y-intercept, we're going to move up 2 and to the right 1, and we're going to continue that so that we are guaranteed a straight line. From here, we can also go in the opposite direction. So if we go back to our y-intercept, we can go down 2 and left 1, down 2 and left 1. So we have a nice straight line. Our second equation, y equals negative 3x subtract 9, has a y-intercept of negative 9. So on the y-axis, we are going to go to negative 9. And our slope is negative 3. So really, negative 3 over 1. Because the negative 3, or 3 is negative, we're going to go down 3. And because the 1 is positive, we move right 1. So from the y-intercept of negative 9, we move down 3 and right 1. Now I am out of room on my graph, so I can do the exact opposite. Instead of going down 3, I can go up 1, or excuse me, I can go up 3 and left 1, and I can continue going up 3 and left 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and left 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and left 1. From here then, we are guaranteed a straight line. As long as I can make this work here. Okay. And as you can see, we have a point of intersection right here. Okay. That point then, we need to identify what the coordinate points are. So we need to figure out what is the x and what is the y. So on the x-axis, we are at negative 2. And on the y-axis, we are at negative 3. So our solution to the system of equation is negative 2, negative 3.